is this?
He's my dog, Colonel, sir.
What in tarnation? Did you train this dog, soldier?
Yes, sir. Wasn't that hard, sir?
Stubby. Okay. Gas! Gas!
Hey, little dog. Look! Gas! The dog is trying to warn us! Everybody, go inside and put on your masks!
There he is. Stubby! It's okay. Shh.
Thank you for my whole village.
His name is Stubby.
Stubby, you are our hero, Stubby.